let us see how we can track maybe total sales in a given company for the whole year. We are going to have three columns. We have months, we have sales, and maybe we have the column for comments. Now, how can we fill in the table of all the column for months? Very simple, just click the cell, that is cell A2, and write the first month, that is January. After you've written January, it is very simple. Instead of literally filling in each and every month, the Excel can do it for you easily. Just put your cursor somewhere there until it produces that cross. Then drag until the last cell, that is cell A12. A12, I think, yeah. So let us drag. We are just going to drag it this way up to the last cell there. Then there we are. So if I want to write them in bolds, I can decide to write them in bolds, or maybe change the font color to maybe the color that I prefer. Maybe let me go with standard red, and there I am. So these are the sales made in a company from January to November. Now, if you look at the sales here, it is very difficult to read these values. Why? Because there is no separator. So we want to see how we can add these separators in these cells so that they can be easy to read. Very simple. How are we going to do that? We are going to click or bring our cursor to the column denoted B until it shows this arrow. Then click it there. Then after you've done that, move your cursor to this separator. The separator is written comma 00. Then click that one. As you can see, the cells now have been separated using a comma, so it is very easy to read. This one is 107,809. But now, maybe you're not interested in having these decimals. You want to remove the decimals. For example, you can see the cent side, that is 0000 up to the last month, that is November. How can you do that? How can we remove these decimals? It is very simple. When it is still highlighted like that, just come with your cursor to this point here, that is written 0.00, then towards the right. Of course, it will show you that one is okay. It is written decrease decimal, so you click that. If you click that one times, 0 disappears. If you click for the second time, the last 0 disappears, and that is our sales without decimals. We want to deal with comments. Maybe you want to state the reason as to why you think in January there was low sale as compared to February. If you look at the column, because under comment section you can write a lot of statements. If you look at the column, the space or the cell, the column C, it is so small to accommodate statements or a sentence. So we can expand that. Bring your cursor between C and D until it produces that. Then long press and drag. So we'll just long press and drag that way. There we are. So you can write your statement. For example, January, the main reason why there was low sale, maybe we had low purchasing power, low purchasing power. Maybe two. There was maybe these ones. Okay, in February there was high sales. Why? Good. You can say good. Economic conditions. Economic conditions. blah 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 up to the last month in November. Then you have your data.